like the title is the rings, the circle of life. So this, I feel everything in the universe, it's like a cycle. So if you see this side, it is the sun, which rises every day and sets every day. Then this side is on the sea, is the tides, on the tides, the rise and the fall of the tides. So it's again a circle. Then that's the green one is about the trees. So everything starts with a seed and falls with a fruit. And the last one is about the mountains. So mountains life resemble like the human life. So there is a beginning and there is an end. So that is what the theme is.
Anil ji, what do you have to say on this occasion?
Hats off to the lady here. Remarkable, amazingly done. All I can say, जैसे कपूर साहब ने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा, she should be one brand ambassador for the city of Bombay, doing all this throughout Bombay. This is all what comes to my mind immediately.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Because
That's
it's
very
all about life. That's what she said. और एक हकीकत है जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बयान की है, ज़िंदगी में एक सच्चाई यही है कि जिसको आना है उसको जाना ज़रूर है. That's what is been conceptualized here in the right manner. Heads off to you,
The
man.
beginning is the end and the end is the beginning.
That's right.
So that is the line.
Right. Rohan ji, we want to hear from you and we want to hear from you also. We want to hear you sing.
I am very happy today because I live very close by and I will be blessed and privileged to have Sangeeta ji's beautiful art all around us whenever we come and leave our house. So I congratulate you,
Thank you so
Sangeeta ji.
much, Rohan.
And I wish the entire Mumbai is handed over to her to make it beautiful, as Mumbai is a beautiful city and needs to be more beautiful by beautiful artists like her. और इसमें क्या कहूँ
Two lines from you, anything.
15 अगस्त गई अभी कल हमारी, तो आज वो मैं कहता हूँ कि ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओए रंग दे बसंती चोला, रंग दे बसंती चोला. जिस चोले को पहन शिवाजी खेले अपनी जान से, जिसे पहन झांसी की रानी मिट गई अपनी आन से, आज वही वो पहन के निकला, आज उसी को पहन के निकला हम मस्तों का टोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला. Thank you very much.
So
Thank you very much.
I love
DFC and Sangeeta ma'am, I think public art is very intrinsic to the urban landscape of any city. So congratulations.
Thank you so much.
एंड हम पब्लिक आर्ट की बात कर ही रहे हैं तो मैं कहना चाहूँगी पब्लिक सेफ्टी उतनी ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है और वुमेन्स सेफ्टी सिर्फ औरतों का इशू नहीं है, ये देश में सबका इशू होना चाहिए. एंड आई वांट टू टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू रियली से कि आज जो डॉक्टर मौमिता के साथ हुआ, इट्स हॉरिबल, इट्स इन्फ्यूरिएटिंग एंड आई रियली होप दैट justice is not delayed and the harshest punishment is given. And I thought इस मौके पे it's very important for me to say that also. Sangeeta, would you want to add to that? Shreya is here, Anil ji is here, Rohan ji is
That's
here.
a very important message that she shared, and we need to definitely, is very important to do that. Regarding the sculptures, so it's called the rings, the circle of life. So I feel in life everything has a beginning and an end. So, and we've gone with the nature. So once it's unveiled, I think we'll be able to speak much better. So we'll speak about it.
Anil ji, your thoughts?
Continuing that, such an important thing. It's disgusting. बेशर्मी की हद पार कर दी इस बात ने. अभी और मैं कपूर साहब यही बात कर रहे थे, पनिशमेंट ऐसा होना चाहिए कि उनको बीच बाजार में उतार के बुरी तरह उनको ठोकना चाहिए. I'm telling you, this is from the core of my heart. It is, मतलब not justice, utmost justice should be done to them. Coming back to this, we again talked about it. This should be done in every street of Bombay. It's very important.
Rohan ji?
Very commendable, very happy to be here because I live in the same neighborhood over here, and to see such beautiful structures made by Sangeeta is going to be such a delight all the time. And I think entire Mumbai should be handed over to this lady and should be made beautiful. It's a beautiful city and we deserve beautiful structures with a beautiful architect.
Yeah. Come here, na. Zorawar ji.
Done?
Right hook.
So I'm Harsh Jagwani from Northern Das. We actually tied up last year with Bandra BMC for the Bandra beautification project. Within this, we take areas within the neighborhood and beautify them. Artist for this is Sangeeta Babani. So we have gone ahead, we beautified this shop. We did one last year as well. We have a couple of more lined up for this year. So hopefully, since we construct here, we'd like to beautify the neighborhood and give back as well.
जैसे आपने कहा कि और भी कहीं करने वाला कहीं
यहाँ पे पालील पे ऑलरेडी हो गया है, ये टर्नर रोड पे है. ये साल पे 1 और 2 और है, वो आपको पता पड़ जाएगा. वे जस्ट फाइनलाइजिंग द लोकेशन एंड डिज़ाइन फॉर इट.
आशीष जी यहाँ पे आने वाले हो, क्या कुछ कहीं उस बारे में क्या कुछ
जी. नो, ही इज डन अ ग्रेट जॉब फॉर इंटायर मुंबई एंड फॉर बैंड्रा. तो आई थिंक उनका ही ब्रेन चाइल्ड था ये कि जो लोकेशन पे हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ पर जो नॉर्मल पब्लिक आती है उनको ब्यूटिफिकेशन ब्यूटी दिखे. तो दैट इज वाई जस्ट गिविंग बैक टू द कम्युनिटी.
क्या क्या बना हुआ है हम पर्दे में आज क्या क्या
वो अनवील होएगा, बट इट इज़ इंस्पायर्ड बाय ज्वेलरी एंड इट इज़ मोर टू डू विथ रिंग्स एंड डिफरेंट क्रिएटिविटी विद इन ज्वेलरी.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
चाहिए साहब.
थैंक यू.